Here is what to expect this week on Scandal. So as I was roaming the streets of social media, Twitter to be exact, came across a post from Scandal page saying that Uzoba busy this week. Okay, we start with Umthunzi. He gets to find out that he's going to be a father. Now what does he do? We see him running away. The question is, does he run away because of the situation, or did he want to run away and then he was caught up and then was told? Because the way by begging a corner, it's like Umthunzi will know and then run away. Asazi futhi kahle kahle ngimthembi lo baba. Hayi. Anyway, inkomo malobola mahadi is happening, and now it looks like kuzoba matima man. Why would you ask your is it husband or your boyfriend that when uzofuna im two weddings, while you know for a fact ukuthi lo muntu lo khuluma ngaye kahle kahle usebenza ebusha, there's not even much income that comes out of there, but then you want a 2 days wedding. Kanjani manje umuntu athengisa inyama? Ngathi kuzoba, I foresee this being, instead of it being a good memory and a good thing happening, I foresee ngathi nje kuzoba nenkinga, because ubabugasa akanayo yonke le mali ye-wedding ye 2 days, ufuna lento esimple. Well, that's just my observation. On the other hand, again, Victor uhlangabezana nenkinga where somebody comes and calls the shots, and according to his knowledge ubaba akasekho la, so the person operates utaps, but umama athi yena ufuna imali kitlo hadi mali hanyani mokhwebong yakho high, you know. And then I think she's going to play victim, and then until Victor gives the money or doesn't give the money, I don't know, but she is going to try and push, which as I told le mali, and how she approached it, it seems very rather much interesting. And on another world, Mavutela came across umuntu aphuza amapilisi. Now the question is, what are this medication for? Is it for lento lengicabangayo uyagula or kwenzakalani? Anyway, that happening all this week.